Hi, Dr. Indle here again, and I really want to take the opportunity to thank you for purchasing this online course. My goal for you is to walk away from here with a lot of great information on stretching and mobilization moves that you can use to either treat your own chronic or acute conditions for yourself at home, or you can start to combine these and incorporate them into a general health and maintenance routine for yourself. And so each individual body part is broken up into sections so that you can really target in on one area if you need to, or you can start to combine areas to develop your own at-home routine, which will really maximize injury prevention and taking your health and fitness to the next level. One really important note about stretching and mobilizing is that as I walk you through these exercises and stretches in the course, you really shouldn't feel any type of really sharp pains. A lot of times that sharp pain is an indication that you're taking a joint too far or that you're stressing a part of your body that is out of its normal ranges. And so if you are feeling any type of sharp pains, then I would really encourage you to stop and rewind the video, check it out again, or just stop that stretch or exercise, totally. If that sharp pain continues, then at that time, I would really encourage you to check in with your medical doctor, to check in with your chiropractor, to check in with somebody who you really trust to either help you with that movement or figure out what's happening in those joints and in those muscles that's causing a sharp pain. Another important housekeeping note throughout this course is that nothing that I describe or talk about is meant to diagnose or treat any type of condition. I do talk about a lot of clinical information as far as what I use in my office and when with my patients. I really encourage you to use that as much as you can for yourself. However, each individual case is different. And so if you have any questions about your specific needs, feel free to reach out to me or feel free to reach out to your own healthcare providers and make sure that you're seeking the right care that you absolutely need. So with that being said, start diving into either the first section or pick and choose the areas that you really want to start to focus on first. But be sure to check out all the videos because there's a lot of great information that will not only be applicable to that specific region, but the body is connected. And so really focus and take a look at how one part of your body might be where you're feeling pain at, but it might be actually coming from a different part of your body that if you can stretch and mobilize in a really great general routine, you're going to maximize the benefits. So good luck, and please let me know if you have any types of questions at all.